Winter is coming. For your brain. Everyone has heard of this by now.
From Avatar to Captain America and even Han Solo, everyone has been frozen in ice for at least half a decade.
Cryonics is the process where human remains are preserved in liquid nitrogen in hopes of reviving the person in the future. Basically a human popsicle. Although it's not technically freezing. The process is called vitrification, where the body is loaded up with drugs.
See, 60% of the water inside cells is replaced by protective chemicals which prevent freezing. Then, the legally dead body is placed into a space-like tube with a temperature of negative 124 degrees Celsius. Currently, there are about 500 people in cryonics today.
As the capitalizing entrepreneurs we are, this has become a profitable business. Tomorrow Bio, Cryonics Institute, and Alcor are some of the main facilities that freeze people. These are completely legal in the United States, but they're not without their fair share of incidents.
Which comes to the real issue. Are preserving people in cryonic state ethical? If a person decides to go on cryonics, there is no guarantee that they will be revived in the future. Future technology may not even become advanced enough to resurrect those people. Cryonics promises life for the preserved person in the future, though it may never actually occur. People are paying money to have the procedure done, but the results may never actually be produced. In addition, do preserved people even have the right to be revived?
With that in mind, here are some of the pros of cryonics. First and most obvious is that people have the chance to see the future. Going to sleep today to wake up years from now is appealing to those who want to see what the future holds.
Second, freezing those with terminal diseases could prolong their lives until a cure is found.
But this process isn't even reserved for the whole body. Cryonics technology can be used to preserve organs for medical transplantation.
On preservation, there is a possibility of saving endangered animals indefinitely.
Finally, some seeds and food products can be cryogenically stored to prevent famine.
Yet, not all of these pros are actually possible. First is the cost. It often costs over $80,000 just to complete the procedure.
And often enough, cryonics fail. There are many instances where bodies thaw out too much, cracking the skin, snapping spinal cords, exploding organs, and even bodies turning into pools of fluid.
Even if a body is successfully preserved, there is no guarantee that they will wake up. See, cryonics is a pseudoscience, meaning that it is technically impossible to wake someone up in today's reality.
One of the other issues is dealing with children. Many parents want to freeze their terminally ill infants who are unable to make the decision for themselves.
The final argument against cryogenics is if humans should be doing them in the first place. Cryonics is effectively immortality, which some believe defy natural law. So is it ethical for people to circumvent their own mortality?
Cryonics provide people with a hope for the future. The question now is, would you do it?